Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Eject Tool. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD card into your Android phone. So you probably got a device like this when you opened up your phone for the first time. And hopefully you still have it laying around, but this will allow you to open up the side of your phone and place in a new micro SD card to expand your storage. So you just want to go ahead and find the little hole right here and then press this in. And this should pop out on you. Good. You can see it kind of came out a little bit on the side. Now what we can do is grab this and pull it out. And there's going to be two slots in here. Now I believe the first slot will be your SIM card. And then the other slot will be the micro SD. So you just have to put the micro SD card on this little tray. And it should only go in there one specific way. And then you have to slide it into your phone, just like this. So the first one will be your SIM card for your phone plan or your carrier. And the second one should be for your micro SD. Then to see if it's actually plugged in, swipe down from the top, go to settings, and then we want to go to storage. So let's go down to storage and just see if it's working now. And it should be displaying under here. And then you can move some applications and whatever over to it if you really want. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Eject Tool.